Back up a little, honey, please. Holy mackerel.
Come on, put your paws up here. Oh, does anybody ever get to him now?
Oh my word. Oh yeah.
Gosh, that was...
I just got that on video.
Was you not a bit scared when you got outside?
I know, right?
I couldn't breathe. I was
Like right there.
I was trying to look through the camera and I didn't know how close he was.
Couldn't even tell that close.
She went and put it right in the front, huh?
You got that close, I couldn't even tell.
Honey, stop hitting me.
Look at him, he just decided to drop right there.
Yeah.